Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I was scrolling through my videos and I realized that I haven't posted an updated wash and go since my hair has gotten a little bit longer. If you've been following my hair journey, or if you have been here since at least February, I cut my hair back in February all the way down to at least an inch off of my scalp. So yeah, it is currently December. I think I did this video like the second week of December. So I think I don't really know how many months that is, but I will insert it down below. So right now my hair is nice and soaking wet. My curls are popping a little bit because I think I had some leftover Eco Style gel. But today I'm going to use the Deva Curl collection. I'm going to use the No Poo Decadence for my shampoo. And I'm going to go ahead and get all up in there as much as I can. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to try and detangle as much as I can. Just to make the detangling process, when I do decide to style my hair, to make it easier. I have learned that it's best to detangle your hair with your fingers versus doing it all with a comb or a Denman brush, because you will definitely see less shedding with your fingers as opposed to just slapping the brush through it. So yeah, this is how long my hair has gotten. I haven't been taking any hair growth vitamins or anything. I did start off taking Sugar Bear hair for a little bit, but I was never consistent with it. But I do see a nice difference in my hair. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna condition my hair. The conditioner is not a part of the No Poo Decadence collection. It's the I think it said One Original collection or something like that. I only got it because I think they were out of the Decadence conditioner, I believe. But this is what it's looking like with the conditioner in it, and my hair is still soaking wet a little bit. There's a lot of bounce. My curls are popping. I really like Deva Curl. It works well for my hair. It makes it very easy for me to detangle. So yeah, that's just what it's looking like after me rinsing out my hair. And now we're gonna get ready to style. So first I need to moisturize my face, because if you get out the shower after you've cleaned and exfoliated and everything, your face can be real dry. And yeah, it's the winter time and I ain't got time for that. So right now I'm just gonna part my hair where I want it to be parted, and I'm just gonna section them off into 4 sections. I try to do sections and everything just because I don't want to miss any sections. I want to make sure that everything is evenly saturated with product, gel, oils, whatever I decide to do for the day. So yeah, and then it just makes it easier, especially as my hair gets longer, which I pray that one day it's going to be all the way down my back. So yeah, I'm just going to start off with the Garnier Fructis Buttercream. The only reason why I'm using this is because I'm trying to use up a lot of my old products. So I don't usually use this when I do wash and goes, but I'm just going to use it for the sake of the video and to just add a little bit more moisturization in my hair. So yeah, and then I am going to take some foam. And the only reason why I use the Styling Shine and Foaming Mousse is because I don't know, y'all, like, it defines my curls. I don't know why wrapping lotion defines your curls, but it does. So if you are doing your wash and go, please interpret that or add that into your routine, because you will definitely see a difference. And I'm going to take my Tangle Teaser and just brush through it really quickly so I can get those last little tangles that I missed in the shower out. And then I'm going to go ahead and go with my Eco Styler gel. I usually use the Shine and Jam. If you look at my previous video, I used that one instead of Eco. I have actually never used Eco Styler before. I just started using it for my wash and goes, and it definitely clumps your curls together a lot better than the other one does. The only difference is that when it dries, it can be just a little bit crunchy. But if you make sure you put enough oil in it, it's not going to be as bad. So yeah, just keep on watching. So next I'm just going to spray some olive oil into my hands. This is my choice of oil. I usually use coconut oil, but I just wanted to try and see if olive oil would make a difference as far as like shininess or like making my hair grow faster or stronger or reducing shedding, blase. But yeah, so this is basically what I'm going to do. I'm going to moisturize, wet it up a little bit if the sections are dry, but then I'm gonna go in with the cream, and then I'm going to detangle, and then the foam, and then the gel, and that is pretty much my process for right now. I do plan on buying more, I guess, conditioners or curling creams or just anything in the future just to see what is going to work better with my hair. But for right now, this is what I do, and I'm only doing this so I can use up the products that I have because I'm trying to learn to not be wasteful. So yeah, especially being a natural, we tend to try a lot of things because, you know, we have to figure out what works for our hair. But yeah, so this is basically my process. There's really no purpose in me continuing to talk because it's the same thing over and over. But yeah, just keep on watching the video until the very end to see the results. Alright guys, so the video is basically coming to an end. I'm just finishing up this last section, but I just wanted to talk about really quickly, this routine was kind of rushed. That's why some sections at the top are kind of missed, and I wasn't able to define them as much as I usually do. But I will make another video kind of talking a little bit more about my hair and the texture and what I've been experiencing, and my different curl patterns that are in the front. But yeah, just a lot that's coming up, so just stay tuned for the next video. But I wasn't able to show the dry results, but you can kind of see in the thumbnail. But this is what it's looking when I'm kind of done. But yeah, like, share, and subscribe the video, and I will see you guys in my next one.
My regrets look just like texts I shouldn't send, and I got neighbors, they're more like strangers. We could be friends. I just need